Hello everyone, and today I would like to provide you with corporate update. My focus today will be on my trip last week to B&F Farms in Whitley, Ontario, Canada. We did issue a press release related to the pilot installation with B&F. B&F has approximately 160 acres of farmland greenhouse. They are growing bell peppers. So the objective of the pilot was the following: a reduction or removal of BOD and COD. BOD is biochemical oxygen demand and COD is chemical oxygen demand. These are two very important elements for quality of water. Also increase the oxygen level in water as well, and create a few other parameters on the water stability, removal of algae, and a few other elements as well. So far, we have the following results. Just on the oxygen demand through or because of our technology, the stability of water, an add-on of oxygen, for example, remains level for about 3 to 5 days. Typically, by simply adding oxygen to water, oxygen will just disintegrate within about 30 minutes. It's almost considering the fact like opening a Coca-Cola can bottle. Coke becomes flat within about 30 minutes. Additionally, we are seeing the removal or reduction of presence of algae. And here's where additional testing is required. At approximately 150 psi and a flow through of about 170 gallons per minute, there is not much changes. At 170 psi, not much changes take place, just minor. But at approximately 200 psi, we're clearly seeing, it's almost like a hockey stick, we're seeing that significant changes in presence of algae and also oxygen demand. So it will require additional work, but we're clearly seeing that the technology does certain things to the process or conventional process and water remediation, and we're really looking to much bigger results. Toward the end of this week, I'm also going to be receiving our results from the Permian. They look very, very much encouraging. Probably get them by Thursday, Friday, and we'll definitely report to everyone on Monday. So for Monday, just look out for my presentation on water remediation in the Permian on frac and produced water as well. Have a great week, everyone, and talk to you soon.